Good morning, students. In previous class, we solved some question based on rhombus, parallelogram, and square, and we proved some theorem based on them. Okay. Now we take some questions based on rhombus, rectangle, and square. Okay. Let's see the question. Your question is ABCD is a rectangle. Is a is a rectangle with with angle BAC is equal to 32 degree. Determine determine angle DBC. Okay, here ABCD is a rectangle with angle BAC is equal to 32 degree. Angle BAC is equal to 32 degree. Determine angle DBC. Okay, now let's solve it. First of all, we draw rectangle ABCD. Rectangle ABCD. Here we have the angle DBC now. Find that and given angle BAC. So we draw the diagonal AC and BD. AC and BD, its diagonal intersect at point O. Then according to question, angle BAC, that is angle BAC, that angle is to be 32 degree. 32 degree. Okay. So let diagonals AC, let the diagonals AC and BD, AC and BD intersect at O. That is from figure angle BAC is equal to 32 degree. That is given. This is given now, and find angle DBC. Find that the angle DBC. Okay. Now in triangle, OAB, we know that diagonals of a rectangle are equal and they bisect each other. Okay, we know that the diagonal of a rectangle bisects each other. Okay, are equal and bisect each other. That is OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB because of the diagonals of rectangle bisects each other. That is O is equal to OB. Okay, so you in triangle AOB, OA is equal to OB, then opposite angles are equal to each other. That is angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Okay, that is angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. They are the opposite equal side, opposite sides same, so opposite angle there are equal. So OAB is equal to OBA. This implies that we can write OAB, we can write BAC, angle BAC is equal to, and OBA we can write DBA, DBA. Okay, and from question, angle BAC, angle BAC given by 32. So here angle DBA is equal to 32 also, because of since angle BAC is equal to 32 which is given. So angle DBA is also equal to 32 degree. Okay, now from figure we find angle DBC, angle DBC, find that, we find that angle. You know that each angle of the square rectangle is 90 degree. Angle ABC, now from figure, angle AB is equal to 90 degree, and we splitted the angle ABC into two angle DBA plus angle DBC, which we have to find. Now we split that angle into angle DBA plus angle DBC, which is equal to 90, and we have angle DBA is equal to 32, we put here, plus angle DBC, which is find that is 90. So angle DBC is equal to 90 minus 32, that is angle DBC is equal to 90 minus 32, that is 58 degree. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. So dear students, you solve that type of questions in this way. Okay, now we take some question of NCERT exercise. Now take question. Take a question. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that the diagonals AC bisects angle A, bisects angle A, as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisects angle B, as well as angle D. Okay, I repeat my question. Your question is ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Okay, this is very important questions for all. Now let's solve it on the next page. Let's solve it. First of all, we draw a rhombus ABCD. First of all, we draw a rhombus ABCD. Okay, ABCD is a rhombus, and we draw AC and BD as a diagonal of that rhombus. We have to show that AC bisects angle A and angle C, and BD bisects angle D and angle B. Okay. Now in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Okay. Now in triangle ABC and triangle ABC and in triangle ADC na, ABC and triangle ADC, we have what? Let's see. AB is equal to CD. No, let AB, C and ADC na. Let's see. AB is equal to AD. Okay. BC and BC is equal to CD. You know that, and AC is common in both the triangle ABC and ADC, because you know that in rhombus all sides are equal to each other. Okay, so we have AB is equal to AD. Okay, and BC is equal to CD and AC is equal to AC. This is common side. Okay, this is because since ABCD is a rhombus na, so that sides are equal to each other. So by side congruence criterion. Okay, so by side congruence criterion, we obtained triangle ABC congruence to triangle ADC. Okay, that is we have by CPCT angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, that is by CPCT, and also angle ACB is equal to angle ACD. Okay, let's see the figure. Here we show that by CPCT these two important results. Condition angle BAC, let's see, angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, that angle and that angle equal, and also angle ACB, that angle equal to angle ACD. So we can say that the diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C na. Yes, so above these two results we have we can say that AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Similarly, we have to show that we have to show that the diagonal BD is bisects angle B as well as angle T. Hence proved. Hence proved the result. Okay, so dear students, in this way you can prove that type of questions based on rhombus and other geometrical figure. Okay, yes. Now we take some questions of NCERT. Let's see the question. Your question is, in the given figure, the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD meet at O. Okay, if triangle angle BOC is equal to 44, angle BOC is equal to 44, find angle OAD. Okay, and your figure is ABCD is a rectangle, and the diagonals of the rectangle, that is AC and BD, intersect at point O. Okay, and according to questions, angle BOC is equal to 44 degree. That is, angle BOC is equal to 44 degree. Find angle OAD. We find that angle. Okay, let us take that is angle 1, that is angle 2, and that is angle 3. We assume that. Okay, we find that angle OAD, that is angle OAD here na, and ABCD is a rectangle, and you know that the property of rectangle, we know that the diagonals of the rectangle are equal and bisects each other. Bisects each other, na? Okay. And from figure you know that here angle BOC and angle BOA form a linear pair. That is linear pair. So their sum of measures is 180, na? Let's solve it. Uh, from figure it is clear that angle BOC plus angle BOA is equal to 180 because of they are the linear pair, and you know that the sum of two linear pairs is always equal to 180. Okay, now we have angle BOC as 44, so we put 44 plus angle BOA is equal to, that is 180. So here we find angle BOA is equal to 180 minus 44, that is angle BO is equal to 136 degree. We have to find angle BOA, that is that angle is equal to 36, and we also know that since the diagonal of the rectangle are equal to each other, so their opposite bisects each other, that is OA is equal to OB. If OA is equal to OB, then their opposite angles are also equal, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2, na? Yes. So right here we know that since we know that the diagonals of the rectangle are bisects each other, bisect each other. Therefore from figure, let's see the diagonals of bisects, therefore OA is equal to OB. Therefore from figure OA is equal to OB. Okay, and if OA is equal to OB, this implies that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2 also, because of angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Since right here angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, now in triangle OAB, now in triangle OAB we get, you know that angle sum property of the triangle, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOA, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOA is equal to what? 180. Okay, now here we put angle 2 is equal to angle 1 in that value, so angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle BOA we find that 136 degree, so here we put 136 degree is equal to 180, so 2 times angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 136 degree, So we have 2 times angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 136. We have just 44. Okay, 44 degree. So here we find the value of angle 1, that is 44 upon 2, that is 22 after solving that. So the value of angle 1 is equal to 22 degree. Okay, now again from now we know that each of a rectangle is a right angle. Since we know that each angle of a rectangle, each angle of a rectangle, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Okay, since angle BAD, from figure we find angle OAD na. First of all, in angle of angle BAD, angle BAD is equal to what? 90 degree, and angle BAD is splitted in two part, angle 1 plus angle 3. So here angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. This is from figure. Okay, so we put angle 1 is equal to 22 at that point. So we have angle 3 is equal to 90, that is angle 3 is equal to 90 minus 22 degree, that is angle 3 is equal to 90 minus 22 is 68. Angle 3 and angle 3 is angle OAD. Okay, this implies that angle OAD is equal to what? 68 degree. This is your answer. Okay, so dear students, you solve that type of questions in this way. Okay, let's see once more time. This is your figure. First of all, in that figure we find angle BOA, because since these are the linear pair, so by concept of linear pair we find angle BOA. Okay, and by the concept of rectangle, the diagonals of the rectangle bisects each other, that is OA is equal to OB. Okay, so if OA is equal to OB, then we know that angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we apply angle sum property in triangle BOA, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOA is equal to 180. From here we find angle 1, because of by the concept of rectangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 na. So we put angle 2 is equal to as angle 1. So in this way, by the angle sum property we find angle 1. Now we know that each angle of the rectangle is 90 degree. So that angle is 90, that is angle 1 plus angle BAD 90 na. So from figure, angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. Here we put angle 1 is equal to, which you find in this way, we find angle 3, that is angle OAD. Okay, this is your questions. So dear students, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topics. Okay, thank you.